Happy New Year in Tagalog. Manigong bagong taon po sa inyong lahat. In English, Happy New Year to all. How are you? This is Miss Juanita de Guzman Gutierrez, BSEDMSCD, speaking to you over the video. Author of 22 books, yes, university professor, journalism teacher, school paper advisor, outstanding teacher, president of the Teachers Association, and teacher trainer here in New York City. I train teachers as well. Yearly, we call it Teachers Institute, if I could mention, humility aside. And all of my 22 books, Speak Tagalog, a basic primer, is my first book, written by yours truly, Miss Juanita de Guzman Gutierrez, BSED, MSED, in Tagalog. Ako po si Binibining Juanita de Guzman Gutierrez, BSCD, MSCD, na nagsasalita po sa likod ng video na ito. Christ Like Mom and Dad, the book on the right, is an English-Tagalog book. Christ Like Mom and Dad, in Tagalog, at the bottom, Makadiyos Kristo na tatay at nanay. Written by yours truly, Miss Juanita de Guzman Gutierrez, BSCD, MSCD. And all of my 22 books you'll find worldwide at Amazon, outskirtspress.com, all bookstores near you globally. And at my two websites, I invite you to visit my two websites, if you would please. Juanita Gutierrez, BSEDMSCD.com. The second website of mine is juanitagutierrez.com. How are you all? I hope that my video finds you all very well, happy, and safe. And I would like to give my love, light, and gratitude and blessing to my I Am God presence within my heartbeats and mind, within your heartbeats and mind, within all humanity's heartbeats and minds. We are all gods and goddesses, children of one God. And also to my beloved parents, to all my cherished brothers and sisters and their own families, and to all of you, my wonderful subscribers, those who like, shares, comments, and subscribe. Please subscribe if you have not already done so, and I appreciate you all deep in my heart. Welcome once again to our Tagalog language learning lesson. Now you know how to pronounce Tagalog. Ta, first syllable. Ga, second syllable. Log, third syllable. The accent is in the second syllable, ga. So we say it correctly, pronounce it correctly. Tagalog. Tagalog. Now, let's continue with our lesson 41. And I'm going to move my camera a little bit, if you would please. And today we are going to discuss pangungusap, sentence in English. And what is a sentence? It is a complete thought. In Tagalog, pangkalahatang kaisipan. And there are two parts of sentence. There are two parts of a sentence. In Tagalog, dalawang bahagi ng pangungusap. First, subject. In Tagalog, pasimuno. Pasimuno. First syllable pa, second syllable si, third syllable mo, fourth syllable no. Pasimuno. Third syllable is the accent. Pasimuno. That's subject in English. The second part of the sentence, pangungusap, in Tagalog, is predicate. In Tagalog, panag-uri. Panag-uri. Example, halimbawa, example, Halimbawa, in Tagalog. Ako, subject. I, guro. Predicate. Ako, pasimuno, subject. I, guro. Panag-uri. Predicate. In English, I am a teacher. I is the subject. A teacher is the predicate. Let's review. Pangungusap. Sentence in English gives a complete thought. Tagalog, ang pangungusap ay pangkalahatang kaisipan. And there are two parts. May dalawang bahagi ng pangungusap. Number 1, subject. Pasimuno in Tagalog, pasimuno, subject. Number 2, predicate. In Tagalog, panag-uri, panag-uri. Example, halimbawa in Tagalog. Ako ay guro. Ako is the subject, pasimuno. I, guro, panag-uri or predicate. In English, I am a teacher. I is the subject. A teacher, predicate. So I hope you learned something today. Thank you all for watching. See you all again. Enjoy your days always. And